Hello student. Now next flip flop is JK and master JK flip flop. So start with the JK flip flop. So JK flip flop, JK stand for Jack Kilby. These are the one of the Texas instrument engineer. In 1958 he's invented this JK type of flip flop. So the uncertain condition, we know that in the SR flip flop, whenever S is equal to 1 and R equal to 1, means set and reset both are 1, can be eliminated by converting it into the JK flip flop. Converting into the JK flip flop. So the data input in JK flip flop are like this one, the fashion we have to connect it. So it is connected, input is connected to the inverted output, and here K input connected to here Q, like this one. The so JK flip flop is refinement of a RS flip flop, okay, because the two inputs, the indeterminate states of RS type, is eliminated into the JK type flip flop, right? So we'll see how it will be work now, okay. So in the it is necessary to use the such type of cross connection. This input is connected to output of the previous one. Now see the table. If again the J and K both are 0, J and K both are 0, at that time output is your depends upon the what is your previous. If Q is 0, then it is 0, right? If Q plus 1 is nothing but after the cycle will be passed, right? And 0 1, then it is 0, 1 0, then it is 1, and whenever the both are 1 in that time, it is output is a complement of Q, right? So it is Q is 0, then it is 1. If Q is 1, then it is 0, like this one. Output will be occur. See now, whenever the both 1 means J is 1, K is 1, okay, both are 1, then output are the respect to these two flip flop, okay, respective gates, we can call as gates. It depends upon the remaining two inputs. So clock is 1, okay, J is 1, K is 1, again depends upon this one, okay. So this is connected to the here cross and here. Suppose the Q is 0 now, okay, so 0 is connected to K, and if it is 0, then it is obvious Q bar is 1, so 1 is connected here. So both 1, then it is 0, okay, so it is 0, then obvious output is 1, okay. So Q is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1. So what are the condition in SR flip flop? Whenever the S equal to 1, R is equal to 1, and output is inhibited, prohibited state, this was overcome in the JK by making a such type of cross connection, and it output is nothing but your complement. Output is nothing but complement. Now if you see after 1 1, if you apply the 0 0, so its meaning is what? Whenever you apply the input 0 0, J and K, output is your previous output. Previous 1, that's why it is 1. Okay, now 0 1, so it is reset, so 0 1 0, it is set 1, again 1 1, again 1 1, depends upon the complement of Q is 1 here, so that's why it is a 0. So like this one, the JK flip flop will work, okay. Then your next task, we have to write the equation. Here is the Q 0 1, here is the variable JK, and write the equation Q plus for the Q plus, okay. Observe the table of Q plus, and afterwards we can draw such type of equation, okay. And then making the pair, this one pair and second pair, the equation will be made like this one, JQ bar plus K bar Q, okay. And now next we'll see. Now this is your clock SR flip flop, right? If your clock is applied, means clock is equal to 1. So if it is 1, then this 1 1 input, again output depends upon the remaining two input terminal, like this one, 1 and 1, right? So, and if the clock, you can say that is 0 0 0 means what? 0, clock is 0 means 0 multiplied by something, right? So all are 0, and their output is obvious, both are 1, so it will be removed indirectly, we can call that. And this circuit act as your previous circuit, whenever clock is 0, in that case the circuit acts as your previous circuit. The output is of the both clock as JK or JK, both are same, no issue. Only the related to whenever you apply the clock is 1, then it will be act as your previous, and if you remove, then it will be act as your or act as your 0 means act as previous circuit. Now we can see the diagram will be explained later on, don't worry. Now see the master slave JK flip flop. Okay, so what are the problem is occurring JK flip flop now? Whenever the both are 1, means J is 1, K is 1. Okay, in that one the one problem will be occur. It's called as race around condition. That race around condition is occur in the JK flip flop, or you can call as the drawback of a JK flip flop is the race around condition, and this was overcome in your master slave JK flip flop. Master slave JK flip flop. See the difficulty whenever both one will be allowed on SR eliminates. First is difficulty SR we are facing both one that is not valid in SR, that was overcome in the JK. But JK, you due to this feedback connection of output connected to the input of, so the input of JK, J and K is equal to 1, then output is Q is equal to 0, and at a we can say that after a time interval delta t, small time delta t equal to the propagation delay 2 TWO, NAND gets in series, and the output will again Q is equal to 1. Now J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1, then Q is equal to 1, and after another delta time interval, a small delta t, the output will be back to again Q is equal to 0. Hence we can conclude that for a duration, means small time period of clock pulse, the output will be oscillate back and forth between zeros and 1, zeros and 1. At the end of the clock pulse, the value of Q is uncertain. Value of Q is uncertain, and this situation is referred to as race around condition. This situation is referred as race around condition, and the race around condition can be avoided if that small delta time period is less than clock period. Then this was overcome, will be this condition, race around condition will be overcome. Now that this race around condition will be overcome in the master slave JK flip flop. Okay, if master and slave, this one you can call a master and this one is slave. Okay, so output of the master connected to the input for the slave, we can call it two SR flip flop or JK flip flop, we can connect it together, and first part we can call it as master and second part we can call it as clock, and in between these two we can connect it to the clock pulse. Okay, here inverted clock means if it is 0, at that time it due to inverted is 1, means it will be active and this will be deactive, means one time one of the we can say that part of the this one will be active, and the truth table, again the truth table are the same, there is no change in the truth table, only the what is the problem occur in the SR or JK flip flop, you can call as in JK flip flop, that is 1-1 condition, output is Q and bar, but race around condition will be occur, right? The output will be fluctuated between the zeros and 1 due to the small data period time t. That was overcome in the JK flip flop. Like these are the connection we are making. Clock inverted, we can connect it to the this one, and it eliminates race around problem when both inputs are 1. So I hope we understood the JK flip flop. Thank you.